This 2022 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 263BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 9, self-contained, air conditioning, refrigerator, TV antenna, slide-out, water heater, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite 263BHXL is 5,854 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.